Hello, good morning, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2012 government pass question. Question number 41. The question 41 says the first institution introduced by the military to exercise legislative power was the dash. The first institution introduced by the military to exercise legislative power was the dash. So this question is asking that which of the institution of military, that is institution of military established to exercise legislative function. Legislative function. So it is not talking about democratic era or administration. So option A says Supreme Military Council, B say Armed Forces Ruling Council, C say Federal Executive Council, D say Provisional Ruling Council. The first institution that was established by the military, that is under the military era, the military government, that perform legislative function, that is lawmaking. And you know, lawmaking is known as decree in military. So option A, that is SMC, Supreme Military Council, perform that function. So option A is correct. Thank you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.